You think AI won't take your job? Doctors said that, lawyers said that, musicians said that. They were all wrong. This isn't coming. It already happened. We've all heard it. AI is coming for our jobs. But the truth is, it's not coming. It's already here. And it's not just factory workers or call center agents, it's everyone. If you still believe your job is safe, wake up. This video is for you. Let's start with doctors. AI diagnostic tools now outperform human doctors in accuracy in some cases over 80%, compared to the average doctor's 23%. Surgical AI-guided robots, already operating in hospitals with fewer complications. Lawyers, AI reads, understands, and applies laws with perfect recall. It never forgets a case, never misses a loophole. Some lawyers are already using GPT tools to write arguments, and getting caught billing clients for work they didn't do. If you've just finished law school, sorry, but AI already knows more than you ever will. And it works 24/7. Accountants, gone. You'll soon download a personalized AI CPA onto your laptop. It will track your finances, file your taxes, and find shady loopholes. I didn't say that. Better than any human. No fees, no waiting. It professionals? Your job is literally to build systems that are now building themselves. AI writes code, fixes bugs, deploys apps faster than you, cleaner than you. Graphic designers? Google's VO3 is generating full 4K video from simple text prompts. Midjourney, Sora, Runway. Hundreds of tools can produce images, films, or entire ad campaigns in minutes. Producers, editors, sound engineers, gone, musicians. The first full-length AI album was just released. And if no one told you it was AI, you'd never know. No label, no studio, no recording costs. Actors? Replaced by AI-generated performers? Deepfakes are good enough now that Hollywood could be rebuilt without a single living actor. Think you're safe as a plumber, electrician, barber, dentist? Not for long. Robotics are advancing fast. And AI is learning to control hands, eyes, and tools with surgical precision. Bricklayers, drivers, cashiers, everything is becoming automated. If it's not this year, it's next. But here's the biggest problem of all. Even if your job somehow survives, what happens when everyone else's doesn't? If no one has a job, then no one has money. If no one has money, who's going to pay you? You may still be working, but in a world where no one can afford your services, you might as well not be. The only way forward? Governments will be forced to introduce universal income, money for doing nothing, just to keep society functioning. But that leads to another problem: purpose. Most people need work to feel useful, to feel human. Without that, expect unrest, riots, even war. It doesn't have to end in chaos. In South Africa, where I live, some companies already prioritize people over machines. They'll use 17 workers with shovels instead of one digger, not because it's efficient, but because it puts food on more tables. Maybe that's the future. A slower, shared economy where everyone gets a slice of the pie, because the alternative is terrifying. AI destroyed my career, and if you're still watching this, you already know you're next. This isn't science fiction, it's happening now, and the sooner we face it, the better chance we have to survive it.